3, 2.
We'll see you August 11th. We'll see you August 11th at the open house. Are we going to say at the open house? Is that what we're saying?
That's right.
Is that what you want?
We'll see
And
you.
then at the end, we're going to go.
Welcome back to another exciting year at the Liberty Union Middle School. We've really got some new things for this 2022-2023 school year. We've got some things that we're bringing back that we didn't have an opportunity in the last few years because of COVID. Starting off with, we're going to have lockers back. I know the kids are excited to get the lockers, and we haven't had a chance to use those because of COVID restrictions. But this year, the students will have assigned lockers. They'll still be able to use their backpacks, but you know, we noticed during the school year that all these backpacks got a little too heavy. Kids were carrying a lot too many items from class to class, so they're going to be able to stop by their locker and get the items they need in their backpack and leave the other items in their locker, and that will lighten the load. So we're excited about lockers coming back. Hey, another thing we're kind of excited about coming back is school bells. We did not use school bells for the last few years. COVID made it restrictions on how many people were in the hallway at a time. And so this year, the school bells will be back. And that really helps us. That allows more instruction to be focused in the classroom. The bells will allow us to move quicker through the hallways and allow opportunity for teachers to have more time. Another thing too that we're excited about this year is we'll be able to bring field trips out. We'll be able to move around and bring some instruction to the classroom, but also have that opportunity to have guest speakers come in. And we've already scheduled a few guest speakers this year that we think that can really bring some dynamics to the classrooms. And so we're excited about all those. So a lot of new things coming, and I think this school year we should have an opportunity to have students feel more like it did before the pre-COVID years that we had. Speaking of new things, we've got some new personnel. I have a new intervention specialist in the 8th grade. We'll also have a new art teacher for the grades 5, 6, and 7. And also in the 5th grade music, we're going to have a new person there. We also will have a couple of new staff members to kind of assist in tutoring. We know that a lot of kids kind of need that extra help. And so we've hired some people to come in and be tutors to help those kids that, might have a few areas that they're coming in struggling with because, again, with the COVID, we noticed that some kids have gone backwards a little bit, and we want all of our Liberty Union kids to be successful in academics. Hey, this year, our secretary for 22 years, Mrs. Chris Schreier, who's done an excellent job, has decided to retire. So we had to go out and find a new secretary, and I'm happy to announce that we have Miss Brittany Zook. Brittany is a person that also had worked at Liberty Union at one time. We brought her back, and she's excited, and she's in the office at this time.
Hi everybody, I'm excited to meet all the parents and students. I'm currently in the office from 7:30 to 3:30. If you do happen to have any questions regarding the parent portal, don't hesitate. You can stop in or you can give us a call here at the middle school at 740-862-4126. I look forward to meeting you all.
Mr. Marcus Alford, who is the assistant principal, he'll be here full time. So we're kind of excited about having Mr. Alford here full time as assistant principal. Allows me to get in the classrooms more, which I enjoy doing, helping teachers and assisting in things. And so the two of us working together, we think we're going to have a pretty good team here of getting things completed in the classroom. So I've asked Mr. Alford if he would to take some time out, kind of talk about something new. Open house is going to be a little different this year. And so at this time, I've asked Mr. Alford if he would kind of talk about a few changes more that we're going to see here at the Liberty Union Middle School.
I'd like to welcome you all back. You should be receiving an open house letter in the mail. Please open that and read that carefully. Our open house is the same night as the elementary, so this is going to create some parking issues. So it's going to look a little different this year for open house. Our 7th and 8th grade will start at 4:30. The 7th grade will park in the front parking lot and enter through the main doors, and they will start their night in the cafeteria where they'll have a brief conversation with our athletic director. Our 8th grade is going to park in the back of the building in what we call the bus loop and enter through the gym doors where they're going to go in to the gym and they will start their checklist for open house process. The checklist will be a little piece of paper. You'll be able to get something like this once you get there, and you'll check that off. Items that will be checked off, you'll have a station for the parent portal if you have not completed that as of opening house. So get that taken care of, and then you can see me about progress book, and if you need parent access. Our secretary will be there to pay some school fees. Transportation will be there to talk about transportation or answer any questions about transportation. Our school nurse will be on hand to ask anything about medications or anything like that. We will have food services there, and they will be able to put money on your child's lunch account. 5th and 6th grade will start at 6:30, and they will have the same kind of setup as the 7th and 8th grade, the same stations, the same checklist. 5th grade will be asked to park out front and enter through the main doors, and 6th grade will be asked to park out back in the bus loop and enter through the gym. Everyone will have an opportunity to see their teachers and see their new classrooms. The Universal Free Lunch Program is no longer available. So if you are qualified for reduced or free lunch, you're going to need to fill out the application on the parent portal and have that turned in so that we can get that taken care of. Another reminder is that we had completed our water filling stations last year, and the students got used to filling up water bottles. That is going to remain how we use the water fountains this year. So students are needing to bring their own water bottles. These will not be provided by the school, so we will not be providing a water bottle or cups for students. Remember, read your open house letter. It's going to have more information than what I've talked about today. And I can't wait to see you guys all on open house and first days of school. Go Lions!
We'll see you August 11th at open house.